So, what's good, Forex DHS? I am back with another video. And look, in today's video, I'm gonna bring y'all into my world of I just started my mentorship with the last month. So, I have my student here, Kristiana Davis. Man, yeah, listen, go ahead and introduce yourself. Go ahead and introduce
What's up? My name is Kristiana Davis.
Kristiana Davis. Yeah. But yeah, let them know where they can find you, not everything.
You can find me YouTube Kristiana Davis. My Instagram TikTok is too genuine dot underscore.
Or bet. And she been learning from me for the past month. When she first started, she didn't have no prior knowledge of Forex. Pretty much showed her everything that she does know to this point. If I'm correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so today we pretty much already knocked everything down from the checklist of the things that she does need to learn. Now over time, she does need to get chart time and stuff. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be showing her today. And what we have coming up this week. I do like to start my trading weeks on Wednesday, as y'all do know, those that follow me and stuff like that. Currently, right now, we're at 649 subscribers on the channel, if I'm not mistaken. So for those that are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button. But yeah, we finna get started. So I'm gonna click share my screen. Let's see. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So I'm gonna be real with you. I have took trades already this week, which yeah, we finna go over them because some of them, well, not really all of them. Well, some of them I missed. The ones I did take, I lost. So yeah, but I already knew it was on some like something I wasn't supposed to be doing, so I didn't even really hit you up about it. Because it was iffy, and I'm gonna show you why it was iffy in this segment right here, and something that we already talked about beforehand. So for the beginning of the week on last week, when was the last time we met? Saturday, right? I mean Friday, right?
Yeah.
So Friday we talked about these trades and how when we're looking at the market, we always want to make sure that we're looking at it in a way that we're putting our stop losses under the order blocks, right? So pretty much we had one, two, three, four trades right here, and all of them went in the direction that we was looking for it to go. Only that I didn't catch none of these trades. She didn't catch any of these trades. It's just something that I was observing over time as it was happening. Then when we went back and we looked at everything, like I said, this is like back testing in a sense. When you just look at the market and you predict what's going to happen before it happened, this is pretty much what happened last week with me and her on the call. So, marked everything up, and then the market continued. And then what's today? That was Sunday that all of this happened. So when the market opened back up, I seen that it started pushing up. And then it was somewhere around here where I wanted to catch an entry because it made sense. Let me see. It was on Monday. Was it this right? I believe it was this, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Dang, where's the entry at? Player. Okay, yeah, it was this one. Okay, it was this one. So, this is so annoying. All right, so pretty much seeing the market shoot up, and like I said, it was on the uptrend. Now, over higher time frame wise, we are on a downtrend, right? Now, what I was looking for the market to do was come up here and take these highs out. Why do I say that? Is because the market did an unbalanced movement. So the market shot down. Hold on, let me switch this around. Market shot down, it shot back up, right? To like this area, shot down, then did this weird like little movement within the same thing. and then shot down. So when you're looking at something like this is the high, this is the low, this is the high. Is this the low or is this the new low?
That was new low, the one you pointed at.
This is the new low because this never broke this. This never broke this. So this is not a low. So technically this is supposed to go all the way back up to this high, right?
Right.
Which is right here. And that's what happened in the market. However, it didn't go as deep as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to come to this line right here, to this entry, but it didn't. So, since once again, since I know that this market has to go back up here, where I'm looking for it to break all of this, honestly, and respect this, but it didn't do that. I'm looking for it to shoot up. So obviously, when I seen this Monday, I'm like, you know what? I know I'm not supposed to be trading today, but it makes sense. So I grab. Okay, I don't even know why I did that. So when I first seen it, it was like right. I need to go to a lower time frame. It was like right here. So I seen it down here. I just waited too long before it came back down, and then the market just kept going up. And I was waiting for it to pull back. Talking about I had alarms and everything set, never came back. But guess what it did though? Right? We are on an uptrend. So it broke that. Then it came back down. Now right here, I could have caught an entry because the market is already showing me that it wants to go up. And so not only did I already feel like the market was gonna go up, the market started showing me that it was going up because we had this bullish run. So I could have did something like this, aim for these highs. That would have been my 1 to 7 right there. Something slight and easy. As you can see, market is still fluctuating. Let me move this over. So right now we're in profits. We're gonna see what it does. It's still going. All right, TP was hit right here. Now, same thing I always told you. This is what is this card right here?
Leg or you talking about
Yeah,
the point? Yeah, leg.
yeah. This is a leg. What is this leg considered?
That is a higher low.
Higher low. And then this is a
Higher high.
higher high. So like I said, we know the market is going up. This is clearly an uptrend right now. Right? There's a trend within the trend. The 4 hour trend is a downtrend. The 1 hour trend is an uptrend. Now, from this low to this high, this is our area of focus. So when I seen this, I was like, you know what? Well, I didn't see it, but now that I see it right now, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna put my stop loss under the where do we always put our stop loss under? KD.
Under the
Starts with an O.
order block. Order block. Order
Order
block.
order block. And then this is the order block right here. This black thing, because once it came down, this was the last low before it made that new high. And as you can see, the market respected it here. We would have made our 1 to 6, however much that was in whatever currency that we're using. I mean, not whatever currency, whatever risk to reward that we're using, X, Y, and Z, right? For me, for you that would have been $60. For me, that would have been 300, because it all depends. Like I always tell you, it all depends how much money you have to play with. You have $10 to play with. I have around $50 to play with. That's what I put in every single one of my trades. So with that being said, yeah, so I missed that trade. Then I missed this bottom one that I was telling you about. And now we have the market shooting down. And I thought that it was going to eventually come back to this point right here. Because as you can see, I missed my trade by about, well, really more than that. It was like 10 pips. And then it just started shooting down. Now my losses came from today. Uh, I took a buy right here, right? I took a buy at this low, which, like I said, it makes sense, but there was no order block for me to follow because all of this is just bullish momentum. You see what I'm saying? Like the order block was right here, but it already got filled.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking for an order block right here, but there's no order block. See? No order block at all at any single time frame, which is crazy. But it still made that bullish move. So I was like, I'm gonna just even on the 5 minute, it's still like this is such a huge candle. I'm not gonna count that because like, bro, where am I supposed to put my entry at? Like that's too wide. So yeah, so there was really no area for me to even, you know. But ideally, if I was to take this trade, which like I said, didn't make sense to me, that's why I didn't even take it. I could have still got my 1 to 6 right here, like this. Put my stop loss above this high, and then put my entry down here, and then stop loss at the low. But it's just I wasn't expecting for this to happen, honestly. Like I said, I thought that it was gonna break all of this. So really right now in the market, we're somewhere where it's like kind of confusing because we don't necessarily know where's the next point that it can go to. Um and it's so strange. Like I don't even know how this is still going down. The DXY does look like it's flipping. We have an order block right here on the DXY. So we could possibly start seeing this move down, meaning that if the US dollar is going down, that means GU has to go up. So once again, we're looking for buys, which is so weird because we were just looking for sales. But yeah, what time is it? 2:41. Mm. Okay, so what I might see here is market goes up, came down, goes up again, and then comes down right here, and then we could take this up. Let's see. Technically, there's no order block, right? Well, I mean, on the lower time frames, there is. And it's also NFP this week. Do you know what that is yet? Okay.
Mm-mm.
So NFP is usually when the market resets and there's a lot of volume. Like everything, everything is literally going to be moving. Literally. That's how NFP works. So we're going to have some very fast movements on the week. On NFP week, I usually wait until the day of so I can see like where I see the market going for this week. NFP, I mean, usually NFP is every single Friday. So as you can see right here, it says non-farm employment. And when 7:30 a.m. on Friday, when it comes out, we're gonna really see some changes. And like I said, I see this order block on a 4 hour on the DXY. So I believe that this is gonna start shooting down from here. And I even look, this is how accurate I am. Look how I marked this up. I marked this up a whole week before it even happened. So you see this blue line, right? This blue line.
Yeah.
So you see how the DXY came and rejected it.
Mm-hmm.
So like I said, I marked this up like a whole week ago, a whole week or two ago, right? And then look at what I put on there. Next area of rejection after breakout. Wait, did it? Oh, well, no, it don't tell me when I put it. Let me see. Does it? No, it don't. It don't. Okay, I was trying to see if it tells me when did I actually put this on there, but it don't tell me. So the reason why I could tell that that's where it was going to reject from is because when we go left, this is the same area that we had a rejection from in the first place. Not once, but twice. Had a rejection here, had a rejection here. It broke out of it. Now that we broke out of that area, it looks like it just now came back and is going to retest that area. So now, since it's retesting and we see that it's rejecting it once again, I believe that this is going to keep shooting down. And it's going to come take these lows, this low, and it's going to just keep going. So we should finally see this movement get corrected. We should. We should, but the market be weird sometimes. So with that being said, well, you got any questions?
Nope. No questions. Did we analyze the last trade that I put in?
Which one?
We talked about that. You remember that I think I put my second trade in?
Yeah, it never went to go touch the area. Right?
I don't remember. I don't even think I looked at it, to be honest.
Yeah, it never touched the area. The second trade was like right. It was in here, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, go to your thing right now. Go to your trade locker.
You want me show you?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do that?
Yeah, you can show me.
Wait, where's my camera at?
Oh, KD, what the fuck? You see? Y'all look. Hey, no bull. I forgot all about that. Y'all see this, right? Look at her screen. Y'all see how the green candle is right there by the pending limit. Y'all see that? KD, we missed the trade, but I forgot. So when do we put the trade in? Wasn't it that same day? That was Friday, right?
No, I think this was the time that you called me to put it in. Remember, I think you was in the car or something. You was going somewhere doing something.
Was that Sunday?
Did it tell you? It don't tell you when you put the trade in, huh? I'm still learning how to use this, so I don't even.
Yeah, no, you good. No, I don't. Damn. Hold on, let me see when I called you. The last time I called you.
So this one's still going in, huh?
Nah, we missed it. We missed it. It's yeah, that thing is deep. Like I forgot all about. So for the people that don't know, we put that trade in way before the market was even up there. So that just goes to show what I'm saying. How we just missed that trade by a little bit. I knew it was going to reject from that area, possibly. I called you on the first. I called you on the 1st of January at 11:32 p.m.
Yeah, that had to be it.
So that was last week Wednesday. Wait, what was that? Yeah, because we don't even do a call at 11:32 p.m.
Yeah, it could have been.
Yeah, that was way too late. So yeah, that was the call then. That was exactly the call. Because anytime we link up, I mean we meet for the mentorship is at 2 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that was a whole 7 days ago, y'all. And this move didn't happen until this morning. So that just goes to show how we put the trade in way before, but we both missed the entry. Yeah, that's tough. I forgot all about that. But yeah, you can keep it for now. Like I said, I do believe it's gonna go back up there, and hopefully it rejects from that area because that's the most. That's literally what makes the most sense for me to happen in the market right now. Um, nah, that's wild. Yeah.
I've been too busy. I ain't even been checking this.
No, you know what? That's the best part. I wish I had like how I'm showing you. I wish I had that myself because now that I know what I'm doing, it's like I just got that so built in my head to keep checking it every hour that
Mm-hmm.
it's not good. Like I'm not supposed to be checking my trades that much, but that's just because of like how much emotion and how much things that I went through. That's already like built in my head. To now, you don't really like you haven't went through so much of the negative
Right.
within trading that is like you're carefree. Basically, you're carefree. But yeah. Well, honestly, I see they're either rejecting right here and going down, or it can come up here. But I'm gonna hit you up and I'm gonna let you know. Depending on how I see the market today and tomorrow, then we gonna know what will happen next, right?
Yeah.
Um, and like I said, I have to be transparent. I did take a trade on another pair other than GU, and once again, I always tell myself need to stop doing that because I lost the trade too. I lost the trade. It made sense, but as you can clearly see, the market just rejected it. I seen how it rejected this area right here. Okay, but oh no, because it didn't happen. It didn't happen yet, but as you can see, right, the formation that I always tell you about did it wrong. The same formation I always tell you about, and then it started shooting up, right? So when it came down, I thought, okay, it's gonna respect this area to then continue shooting up. It did not do that at all. It actually came down, and then now it looks like it's gonna come up from here. But I'm looking for it to go break 1 3 1 and 3. But yeah, let me just go ahead and delete that out the way. Um, unless it was to come back down, and maybe I could take it up from right here. I mean, I haven't lost a lot. Like I only lost like two trades to like 2.5. So that's not nothing. If I hit one trade, we basically just made what double of what I lost. So it's not like it affected me for real. Let me see. Well, you know what? Speaking of, let me go back to GU in a second and show you this. So yeah, if we was to take this entry, that could be a 1 to 16. Basically risking $1 to make $16. Let me make this smaller. Or a 1 to 14, better yet. So 1 to 14, risking $1 to make $14, risking $10 to make 140, risking $100 to make 1.4K, et cetera, et cetera. But since I'm not really looking to trade this pair, I'm just gonna put an alarm. If it happened, it happened. If it don't, then it don't. I'm not even gonna try to force it. Um, it already hit this 4 hour. Well, no, I didn't, but it could possibly go from there. And that's why I always tell you, like, trade one pair because, like, you see how this is confusing. Like, I don't know if this want to go up or down because GU is going down, but then GBP JPY is always buying up. So it's like it just brings a lot of confusion that I do not like. But let's say we was to catch this entry, then it would have been something like this. So yeah, your $1, I mean your $10 would have went to $87. My $50 would have to, and we would have caught it, of course, right? $50 would have went to 8.7, 435, and we missed it by a couple pips.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna see what the market does. Like I said, I'm not here to try to like predict what the market gonna do. I do it a lot, but I'm not. That's not something that I'm really be focused on because sometimes the market doesn't do what I think it's gonna do, and I still catch this trade. I still make my money X, Y, and Z. But we're just gonna be patient. If not, because look, this could possibly just make this rejection, break this low, and then come back, and then this can be our entry right here. Because as you can see, this is making an order block right now. This is making a 4 hour order block. If this is close to strong and then it shoots down, then we can be up. Now let me show you XRP. And this is what I meant by sometimes I do predict the market and it goes how I want it to go. So from down here, I put in that trade like I showed you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, it shot up. And now, like I told you last week, what is it? What is this called?
Liquidity.
Liquidity. Because these are people's stop losses. Somebody put a sell here, somebody put a sell here, somebody put a sell here. Well, these people already got stopped out right here. Because if their stop loss was like right here, anything right here, they would have got stopped out by this. If their stop loss was up here, then they're good. But since this is going to continue this uptrend, they're going to get stopped out real soon, especially when Trump go into office. Bro, we finna have a pro crypto president, dog. Like this shit is going up. Like it's no way around it. So, like I told you, right? It shot up, and I said I believe it's gonna come down. Now, KD, tell me if I'm lying. I marked this up 2 weeks ago in front of you,
Yeah.
right? As y'all can see, this is just now happening. It just now came down to the same line that I drew 2 weeks ago, and now it's going back up. Now, I did predict that it was gonna come all the way down here. I'm not no crypto guru. I'm not no Forex guru. I'm not. I'm still learning. Only 3 years in the game. You feel me? So it's not like I'm just a specialist. But I just knew it was going to be some type of pullback. If it doesn't do all this pullback down here, then that's perfectly fine with me. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? But from right here, I do see it somewhere somehow going up and then breaking this trend line, which is liquidity. Because as you can see, when I first drew this line, there was no other lines over here. Now look, there's two new lines that it just made. One right here and one right here. So this is just the market makers making liquidity so they can use that as targets and then push the market up. You feel me? But yeah, other than that, that's what I see in the markets. We're gonna wait on GU and then see where we're gonna go from there. Because this is, yes, this was invalid, but this is valid now because it came from this high to this low. So now our leg is from right here to down here. Because even this will be a 1 to 7. But that's such a long way up. Like, do we got news tonight? Nope, we don't got no news until Friday. Yeah, we gonna see. Like, we definitely gonna see. But yeah, you got any other questions?
No, sir. We all good.
All right, bet for sure, for sure. Now look, YouTube. Like I said, I already did my one-on-ones and stuff with her, so it's not a lot of new information that I went over.
Yeah.
But for those that do and are interested in mentorship, tap in with the boy Matt at al.wavy on Instagram, or just put it in the comments and get with me. So yeah.
Less than a month. Less than a month. I know what I know.
Hey, less than a month. And look, like I said, she was actually supposed to be making profits with me on this trade right here, this one, and actually posted this on my YouTube too. Before it even happened, I posted this before it even happened on my YouTube. But she was asleep, and that was like my beef for not calling her because that it was our first trade, or no, it was our second trade. So it was not like we had to understand it. Oh, call me whenever, even though it's
Mm-hmm.
even if it's late, I know it's business. We good. So now I know that.
Mm-hmm.
But y'all gonna see this next trade, whatever trade that we next take, y'all gonna see she's gonna make profit. And we're gonna go from there. Like I said, this is just my beginning of my mentorship, beginning of my actual profitable year. Other than last year, it was a profitable year for me mentally. Not so much physically in the forex space. It's still some trades that I need to take before I pass that profit wise. In a sense of like overall, you feel me? Because I spent a lot of money within my first 2 years to now. Last year was a profitable year trading, but not overall. It hasn't been a profitable journey, if that makes sense. You feel me? But yeah, YouTube, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching all the way to the end, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.